Hi, my name is Isaac Oster. I've been working as a character and technical artist in the game dev industry for over 10 years and teaching for almost as long. I'm currently teaching at the University of Texas in Austin. This tutorial is an assignment in my Introduction to ZBrush course and is intended for novice ZBrush users who have some general familiarity with basic ZBrush functionality like camera controls, working with subdivisions, masking, and using the transpose tool. In this tutorial, we will use several basic brushes and a few of the many powerful tools available in ZBrush to sculpt the model you see here. We begin by importing reference images into Spotlight and building a base mesh with Z-spheres. The tutorial then goes on to demonstrate sculpting strategies using 5 basic brushes: clay tubes, flatten, dam standard, move, and inflate. We use masking and the transpose tool as well. In addition to sculpting strategies, this tutorial also covers additional features like Dynamesh and Z-remesher. After watching this tutorial, you'll have a better understanding of the complete process for creating visually compelling organic sculpts using ZBrush. You can find a link to the project resource files in the description below. I hope you find this tutorial series to be easy to follow along with on your own, but please feel free to email me with questions or comments. My contact information is available in the resource files. Thank you.